Deer King, new information today on the Pike County massacre as the ex-boyfriend of one of the Rhoden family members appears in court.
Now, Jake Wagner had a child with Hannah Rhoden. He's charged with murdering her and 7 of her family members. ANGENETTE LEVY reports from Pike County.
Jake Wagner walked into the courtroom between 2 sheriff's deputies wearing street clothes at his attorney's request. They don't want to prejudice potential jurors who might otherwise see him on television in a jail jumpsuit.
Have you had an opportunity that you feel a sufficient opportunity as you go along to discuss your case with your attorneys here?
Yes, Your Honor.
Wagner's attorneys have asked for a detailed explanation from the state, known as a bill of particulars, that outlines the case against their client. Wagner's attorneys have also received some of the massive amounts of evidence in the case, and the list reveals that investigators have interviewed Jake Wagner at least 5 times, starting in May of 2016, less than a month after the murders. Interviews continued into May of 2017, after the family made a trip to Alaska. Prosecutors have also turned over hundreds of crime scene and autopsy photos and 3D scans of the crime scenes. Wagner and Hannah Rhoden had a 2-year-old daughter together. That little girl was in his family's care for a visit the night of the murders.
Is there any problems that you're
No, Your Honor.
having? Okay.
Jake Wagner's attorneys do not want him wearing handcuffs or shackles in the courtroom any longer because they don't want to taint a potential jury pool. They've asked the sheriff's office to look into alternative restraints. Security surrounding the Wagners has been a concern because prosecutors have said that they had a plan to escape and carry out revenge if they were caught. In Pike County, ANGENETTE LEVY, Local 12 News.
So we should note here that Jake Wagner, his parents and brother all pleaded not guilty to the murders. He's being held in a jail in Columbus without bail. He's going to be back in court again next month.